Today, the Danish Minister of Justice has decided not to extradite Paul Watson to Japan. And we're very happy and relieved that this decision was made today. Well, Paul is, of course, happy and relieved that this is over. It's been 5 very long months for him in a prison in Nuuk. He has had very little contact with the English-speaking people inside the prison. And he's had a lot of interviews, especially in the beginning from outside in the prison. But recently his contacts via video meetings and so on to his family has been quite restricted. So it's been a very long time for him in Nuuk, but he's handled it well and he's fine. Well, I'm very happy on Paul's behalf, and I'm relieved that the efforts that we have put into the case has paid off now. It's been a very long process for us because we've been fighting every month to get him out of prison. But he was continuously detained, and those detentions are now before the Danish Supreme Court. So we'll see what they say about the detentions. But it's been frustrating that it's taking so long. I don't know what his specific plans are, but I imagine he wants to go back to his kids and wife for Christmas.